guys. So I'm gonna leave my glasses on. It's early in the morning, but I'm here to come and pick up my new phone for my new job. So, and then I'm gonna go home. Well, actually, first I'm gonna stop, get ice because we need some, and then go home and kind of like freshen up more. And yeah, I'm super excited to get the new phone. It's the iPhone 14, I believe. So I'm gonna play around with it and see what kind of features it has, you know. But I'll see you later. Alright guys, my boss gave me the iPhone 14 for obviously people calling and stuff. So far the phone is pretty good. I have the 13, so it's kind of the same, you know, which is cool, but I guess the top part is different. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm all ready. I just have to create like a login and stuff for the Apple ID, and pretty much good to go. So this is the iPhone 14, which is pretty cool. I'm so excited to use it. I feel like it's really perfection, but I do like my, you know, my actual phone, but this is my work phone, which is really cool. So I got a French pastry to eat for breakfast, and I got ice, which I needed ice, but right now I'm just gonna kind of play around with the phone and set up everything that I need to set up, and then yeah, see where the day takes us. Hey guys, so I'm actually at Bangkok Thai Street Kitchen. I'm just waiting for my friends, and we're just gonna have some lunch, and then I gotta go back home, call a few clients, because yeah, but this place is absolutely delicious. Guys, so I'm back home. I'm just on my computer right now, scheduling a few things and calling some people back. So yeah, I had lunch with my girls, Ali and Rose. I had an amazing time. Pity that Jess wasn't with us, but yes, I loved hanging out with them. We had such good laughs, but that place is so good, you guys. So delicious, so fucking delicious. But yes, I will see you guys in just a bit. What's the matter? You had fun, played and everything. It's time to relax. Yeah, it's time to relax. So I'm just getting ready right now. I'm gonna meet Summer, and we're just gonna go check out some of the vintage places here on Main Street. So you'll see me in a second, and I'll have my face on. So I'll see you in a bit. Guys, so I'm with Summer, and we actually are drinking some margaritas at Tacotarian. We just went to use the restroom, so yeah. Putting some petrol right now, and I'm just trying to find some coins for Richard. So yeah, it's a gloomy day, so we're only gonna go to Target, get some stuff, and then go home and just chill out for the rest of the day. But yeah, Rich is checking the tire right now, so because the tires like to. You guys, you want to see some Australian currency? All right, so this is 10 cents for us, like right there. And then it has the queen behind it.
Were you able to find it?
Yeah. How do the tires look?
It's the same one. It's this back one's always the one that goes out.
Yeah.
That one needs to be replaced. So.
Of course it does.
Yeah, all of them just done.
Same. So you said 8 quarters? I mean,
yeah, 8 of those. Yeah.
8 of it, okay.
$2.
Yes, I did find them.
Pretty sure it's this. The coffee thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I like this little honey jar. But seriously though, what do you cook in this? Like I would... Oh look, that's where they put tacos. That's pretty cool. Oh yes, yeah. Your mama has one. Oh look, chopping boards. There's some pretty cool stuff. Oh, that's super cute.
4 of them. For $4.
Oh, that's not bad. You found something? Oh, that's cool. Look. I have a toast. Ooh, salt and pepper? I like that. Oh, mugs. My favorite. Oh. Oh, we can get something. Oh, this is cool. I like that.
That is nice. It's nice looking.
It is. Yeah, that one is cool. These little things. I think they're pretty cool. It is? Oh, it's lemon juice from Italia. Oh, Manuka. My dad loves this stuff. Ooh. That sounds good. Let's get that. Penguin and an eggie. Oh, that's cute. That's pretty cool. What is that? Oh, sauces. Ooh. I like the ice cube. That is cute. I like those things. When I get a clock. It's a bedroom.
Give me a taco.
Seriously. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, this is cool. What was that? My little intro that I said last time.
Hello, you. Oh yeah, true. Alright guys, so we ended up going to TJ Maxx. We just got a few stuff and obviously we got OZZIE a little toy, so he's gonna be pretty happy with all of that. But I don't know, we're thinking about what to cook tonight, so we'll see what we end up cooking. What?
The scissors?
Oh, yeah. Let me... Here we go. Hey, boy.
How could you tell? Stinky breath has been on.
Hey guys, so we just came back. I got these highlighters for my work. I don't know why it says Bible highlighters. I was confused about that, but the highlighters. Then Richard got this one. Then he got me screen protector because I actually cracked my phone. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I cracked it, of course. And then I got my favorite bread. Then I got a pop socket for my work phone. This one right here. Of course, I have these for my almond, for my bananas, rice, tortillas, guggies, and then I got this Fleetwood Mac shirt, and it has like stuff at the back, so it's pretty cool. And then I'm wearing my extensions again because I like to have my hair a little bit more full, so, but yeah, that's what we got.